Hello guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add custom links to WordPress menus. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser on your PC, laptop, or Mac. And then the next step is to go to WordPress.com on the internet browser that you already opened and make sure you are logged in as well to easily follow along the instructions or the video in this tutorial. Now once in WordPress, hover your cursor to the left side and then you will need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on Appearance with the brush icon and then click on Additional CSS. Once you tap on it, the web page will now reload. As it is reloading, you can see here there is an option over at Menus. Click on it. This one over here. Once you click on it, you will see a button that says Create New Menu. Now you're going to create one. First, name your menu with a menu name that you really want it to be, depending on your preference. Then click on Primary Navigation and give it a check mark. Once done, click on Next. Once you will be here, you now have the power to add items over at your new menu. Once you add items, all you have to do this time is to click on the drop down that says Custom Links. Once you see the drop down, just click on it. Over at Custom Links, you can add your very own URL or link text. Ooh, accidentally closed it. I'll open it again. Over at URL and the link text, you can add whatever it is that you need. From here, you can add any custom link that you want. Once you're all good to go, you can now close the menu. And then you'll be redirected back to WordPress.com. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.